Emmet has a hypothesis for Tesla's recent drop. With reports of XAI raising $6 billion, some high net worth Tesla investors may be trimming positions to invest in XAI, even via SPVs. If this shift represents a significant portion of the raise, it could be a major factor in Tesla's decline until the round closes. It's unclear when the round will close. Elon made more comments about Giga. Something super weird is going on, as Tesla was the only car company attacked. Or is that called professional morons? Elon also said something fishy about this, that they are that stupid. Usually when someone who's not seriously dumb, or if it's a large group of people, when they do something that appears to be stupid or dumb, there's a reason behind it. And once you discover the reason, things suddenly start making sense. I'm not sure what the reason is, but maybe eventually we'll find out. I'll keep an eye on it. But leave your theories and comments below. Tesla charging account releases its first public statement since the restructuring. Since 2012, charging has been a pillar of Tesla's mission, providing dependable freedom to travel. Supercharging is the largest network globally with the highest capital plus operational efficiency, and we will continue to sustain and grow the network. Thank you to site hosts and suppliers for your patience as we restructure internally. Morgan Stanley has a new note. We see Tesla's June 13th shareholder vote as having significance to the long-term strategic direction of the company. While impossible to predict the outcome, we expect the event could drive material volatility in the stock. An issue of control. Tesla is the only firm within Elon Musk related companies, the Muskonomy, where he does not have control or a blocking minority vote. While each of Elon Musk's companies are in some way or another AI adjacent, he has expressed his concern and discomfort with moving Tesla further into the field of AI without having around 25% voting in the event this powerful technology goes awry. So vote if you haven't yet. Warren did a poll. What would happen to Tesla's stock if Elon does not get his compensation package reapproved? No big deal. Think 22% of the people. Elon quits and Tesla goes down to 100. Think 25% of the people. 44% of the people say Elon and AI team quit. Tesla stock goes down to $30. This is from 1,500 votes, so not a huge poll, but I mean, that's also not just 5 people. So if you are thinking about voting no, think hard about what you are going to do and what is likely to happen. The next time you see Tesla bears on TV, expect them to say that Tesla is not an AI company and not even a car company anymore. Tesla is a hammer company. It just made 800 cyber hammers. These are all sold out, by the way, now. Tesla generated about $500,000 in revenue. Tesla is making a few pricing adjustments for color options in South Korea. AJ has some new thoughts about Tesla's Q1 earnings. Tesla delivered positive free cash flow of $1.2 billion adjusted for one-off items. Now, we know that free cash flow was actually negative $2.5 billion. Tesla spent $1 billion on AI infrastructure, and while the spending will continue for now, this should not be considered a permanent or perpetuity item from a valuation standpoint. The Red Sea conflict, arson attack at Gigafactory Berlin, and other factors led to a temporary spike in inventories, causing a negative Q1 cash flow impact of $2.7 billion. This too should not be considered a recurring item, and so for these reasons, the adjusted or normalized free cash flow number was $1.2 billion based on AJ's math. When Q2 earnings report comes out, we will know if AJ is right. Seeing what's going on at Giga Berlin right now, I would not be surprised if we had more one-time items. Uber is not afraid of Tesla's FSD, but Uber's core proposition is that they connect humans that need a ride to humans that own a car. If you remove the human from the car and you're now connecting humans that need a ride to robots that can take you from point A to point B, and the company that makes the robots has its own app already that humans can download. What is Uber's value proposition exactly? Now, if humans own the self-driving cars used in the Uber platform, the Uber platform and brand still have tremendous first movers value. The only difference will be that Uber cars may not need a driver, which will lower the cost and increase ride-hailing total addressable market. And Gary says, despite Tesla's intense focus on autonomy over the past 2 years, Uber has been by far the better investment. Uber is up 178%. Here's Uber and here's Tesla. I don't quite think it's a fair chart to pick. You would need to go back to the 5-year chart, and then you can see Tesla here, and you can barely even see Uber. And this is basically a new Tesla supercharging location that has just been opened in China. The CEO of Rivian does not want to disclose the reservation numbers for their upcoming vehicle unveiled in March and slated for a 2026 launch date, citing concerns about churn and noise from a customer point of view. The only reason why he wouldn't tell you what the reservation numbers are is because the numbers are not that good. Unless he said before the unveiling event that he will not disclose the reservation numbers. If he didn't say that, this is not a good thing for Rivian. That's it for today's video. Make sure to click the like button so that we can make sure that there's no shadow ban on this channel. There's another video from my other channel showing that it's only getting about half of the views it would normally get because my videos are only shown to about 50% of the regular viewers in the first few days. And then after the first 3 days, it does push it out a little bit more, but because it's no longer news, it's old, no one's interested. So I appreciate everyone clicking the like button. That really helps. And going forward, I'm only publishing the full daily news videos on this channel, not on the old channel anymore. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Otherwise, YouTube may stop showing you these videos completely. Subscribing sends YouTube a strong signal that this is a channel you want to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's episode.